What is Epic and how can it help you pay for Part D prescription costs? Epic is a New York State program that works with Medicare and they work together to reduce your costs for prescription drugs. Medicare Part D premium up to the benchmark amount of $37.23 in 2014 or whatever it is in this current year. For per month for members with income up to 23,000 if single or 29,000 if married. The benchmark amount is equivalent to the average cost of Part D drug plan in New York State. It changes each year. If your Part D plan premium is higher than this amount, you are responsible to pay the difference each month. If Epic is paying your Part D premium and you currently have your premium deducted from your Social Security check, you must contact Part D drug plan to stop the deduction. If Epic members become income is above 23,000 if single or 29,000 if married, then the members are required to pay their Part D premium each month. To help them pay, the Epic deductible on the deductible plan schedule is further reduced by $447, the annual cost of a benchmark Part D plan in 2014 or whatever is in the current year. When a member is approved for the full Medicare low income subsidy from extra help from Medicare, the Medicare Savings Program, or Medicaid Spend Down, Epic will also provide additional premium assistance up to the benchmark amount of $37.23 in 2014 if Medicare does not cover the entire premium. When a member is approved for extra help from Medicare with partial 25, 50%, or 75% LIS, Epic will provide additional premium assistance towards the member's Medicare Part D drug premium up to the benchmark amount of $37.23 per month in 2014. Now, what that is saying is there is extra help, and the best thing to do is if your numbers are within that range, just apply. The worst thing that can happen, they turn you down, but you might get a good benefit out of it. Epic drug coverage period. Epic provides secondary coverage for Medicare Part D and Epic covered drugs after Part D deductible is met. Epic also covers approved Part D excluded drugs such as prescription vitamins as well as prescription drug cough and cold preparations once a member is enrolled in Part D. Epic coverage runs from January 1st to December 31st each year. If enrolled after January 1st, coverage will still end on December 31st. Members must maintain Epic coverage and be enrolled in a Medicare Part D drug plan in order to receive benefits. If you disenroll from your Part D drug plan, either by request or due to failure to pay, you must re-enroll in a Part D plan or you will not receive Epic benefits for the remainder of the year. How to use Epic. Show both your Medicare Part D drug plan and Epic cards to your pharmacist. Tell your pharmacist that you have prescription coverage through both plans. Tell your pharmacist that your Medicare Part D drug plan is your primary prescription coverage and all claims for prescription medications must be submitted to Medicare Part D first and then to Epic. Epic will cover Medicare Part D and Epic covered drugs after any Medicare Part D deductible is met. Epic will also cover approved Part D excluded drugs once a member is enrolled in Part D. And basically what they're saying is it's like an umbrella policy on your auto or home. You have to meet that deductible first before the other policy kicks in. What is covered by Epic? Part D and Epic covered drugs after Medicare Part D deductible is met or approved Part D excluded drugs. Epic will cover new prescriptions and refills, insulin, instant syringes and needles, brand name and generic prescription drugs, quantities up to your Part D plan's limits. What is not covered, now this is important, any drug purchases before a member joins Epic, any drug purchase before a member joins Part D, any drug purchase made in Medicare Part D deductible, drugs not covered by Part D unless it is approved by Part D excluded drug. Medicines that do not require prescription, such as aspirins or vitamins, or anything over the counter, is not covered. A small number of drugs known as DSI drugs. Ask your pharmacist for more information on these particular drugs. The purchase of medical devices, for example, diabetes supplies, test strips, glucometers, walkers, wheelchairs, medical supplies, cotton balls, band-aids, eyeglasses, and oxygen. Note, check with your Medicare provider to see if these items are covered by your Medicare benefits. Some are. Prescriptions purchased at a pharmacy not participating in Epic covered outside of New York State. Please refer to the out-of-state travel below. Drugs sold by manufacturers that do not participate in Epic's rebate program. Now, what this is saying is these are the things that are not covered. Now, take, for instance, the oxygen or some of the items that say they're not covered. They might be covered under Medicare, not necessarily under the prescription plan. Participating pharmacies. You must use a participating pharmacy in New York State to receive EPIC benefits. You should choose a pharmacy that participates both in EPIC and your Medicare Part D plan to maximize benefit. Check with your local pharmacy to be sure they are participating before making your purchase. Mail order pharmacies. Medications may be purchased from an EPIC participating mail order pharmacy located in New York State or an EPIC participating Medicare Part D drug plan mail order pharmacy. Check with the mail order pharmacy or any special requirements. The EPIC helpline can answer any questions you have or provide you with a list of expert participating mail order pharmacies. Out-of-state travel. When traveling outside of New York State, you should make sure to bring ample supplies of your medications you will need with you. You should contact your Part D drug plan before you leave to find out their policy on refilling prescriptions while you are out of state. Please note that EPIC only pays for Part D and EPIC-covered drugs after your Medicaid deductible is met or approved by Part D, excluded drugs purchased from an EPIC participating pharmacy. So, word to the wise, fill up with what you need before you leave the state. Keeping track of your drug costs. It is helpful for you to keep your receipts and a running total of your purchases. You will need to contact your Medicare Part D drug plan to ensure they have knowledge of all your purchases and tell you where you stand with regard to your Medicare Part D drug coverage. Renewing your EPIC coverage. Every 2 years, we will request that you provide EPIC updated enrollment information to renew your coverage. You may be required to provide updated income documentation to EPIC. EPIC copayments. At the pharmacy, seniors present both the EPIC and Medicare Part D identification to their pharmacist. The EPIC copayment is based on the cost of the prescription remaining after billing the Medicare Part D drug plan. Co-payments for approved drugs purchased after any Medicare Part D deductible is met or approved Part D excluded drugs. So this is what they cover. The prescription costs after submitted to Medicare, up to $15, EPIC co-payment is $3. $15 1 cent to $35, EPIC co-payment is $7. $35 1 cent to $55, EPIC co-payment is $15. Over $55, the EPIC co-payment is $20. Now, you could download the application for the EPIC program on our website, insuredmeds.com. We have a PDF file. You download it, fill it out, and you fax it over. And here are the phone numbers. Contact EPIC toll-free helpline, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Phone number for the helpline is 1-800-332-3742. You can write them at EPIC, P.O. Box 15018, Albany, New York, 1212-5018, or email them at epic@health.ny.gov. Now, please share and subscribe. This information is valuable and can be of service to a lot of people that you may know. Go to our website for more information, articles, videos, and free quotes on health care of all forms for seniors and working people. We offer affordable health care plans for individuals, the self-employed, retirees, and small businesses. We cover the tri-state area, so if you need anything, you can call us at 845-452-4311 or fill out our quote request form. If you need to contact us, our email is insuredmeds@gmail.com. See you on the next video. Thanks again.